Make sure you cut a hole in the substrate for the green control module to poke through using a cutter template as a guide, which you can find at this link. The Printed Touch conductive ink sticker is typically laminated onto a foam board or Correx. Laminate the circuit side of the sticker to your chosen surface. Use the corner and dot registration marks on the print to guide the placement of your control module onto the sticker. Lay your work on a hard, flat surface with the control module facing you. Press firmly along the length of the control module to ensure a good connection to the printed sticker. For the standalone Creator Kit, you will need to connect the battery pack and speaker to the ports on the control module. Attach the battery pack and speaker to the rigid substrate you have laminated your sticker onto. Before moving on to using the software, it is recommended to power up your piece of print and touch each hotspot. The control module is pre-programmed with a numbers file, so you will hear a number when you touch each hotspot.
8, 5, 12, 1.
It is useful to note down the number of each hotspot, as this will help you to assign functionality and audio to the correct touch points when using the software. It is also recommended to select the audio files you plan to use and place them into a separate folder on your computer so they are easy to locate. Now that you have assembled your kit, it's now time to move on to accessing your software for the standalone Creator Kit or an introduction to creating your app for the Bluetooth Creator Kit.